live. XRP price prediction. Judge rejects Ripple deal. What happens next? Price prediction. Ripple. XRP. Ad disclosure. Ad disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Ripple believes it can still continue selling XRP to institutions even with its injunction still in place. Ad disclosure. Ad disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Author. Simon Chandler. Author. Simon Chandler. About author. Simon Chandler is a Brighton-based writer and journalist with over 10 years of experience writing about crypto, technology, politics, and culture. He has written for cryptonews.com since late 2017. Author profile. Share. Copied. Ad disclosure. Ad disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated. June 27, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. The XRP price has dropped by 4% in the past 24 hours with its fall to $2.10 coming after a U.S. judge rejected a settlement proposal between Ripple and the SEC. U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres refused a proposal from both parties to reduce Ripple's $125 million penalty and to remove an injunction that prevents the firm from selling XRP. This has left XRP in a weakened position today, with the altcoin also down by 3% in a week and by 9% in the past month, although it holds on to a 347% increase in a year. However, Ripple believes it's in a strong position to move forward regardless of yesterday's ruling, with XRP's long-term price prediction remaining as promising as ever. XRP price prediction. Judge rejects Ripple deal. What happens next? Summarizing her decision, Judge Torres said that Ripple and the SEC do not have the authority to agree not to be bound by a court's final judgment that a party violated an act of Congress. As such, Torres declared that unless exceptional circumstances are applicable, Ripple still must pay the $125 million penalty and observe the injunction the court had imposed on it. This injunction relates to Ripple's sales of XRP to institutions, something which the market does appear to regard as damaging to Ripple and XRP. However, Ripple itself is already arguing that Judge Torres' ruling isn't particularly negative for the firm. In particular, legal experts are drawing attention to the fact that Alderity used the phrase historic institutional sales, which is significant insofar as it implies that Ripple believes it can draw a distinction between the past illegal institutional sales of XRP and any future sales. First Prev 1 of 1 next last a day ago June 27, 2025 Simon Chandler. The downtrend continues. XRP is now approaching a short-term support level. A day ago June 27, 2025 Simon Chandler. Zooming in, we see that XRP is trading within another range. It may have to fall lower for liquidity before bouncing back up. A day ago June 27, 2025 Simon Chandler. The XRP price is currently forming a descending channel pattern, which is typically bullish. If a breakout is confirmed, the next target is $2.60. A day ago June 27, 2025 Simon Chandler. Snorter presale continues to grow. The next big trading bot and meme token? If some traders are a little concerned about XRP, they may want to diversify into newer tokens, including soon-to-be-launched tokens that could rally once they list on exchanges. This means pre-sale coins, with one of the most interesting pre-sales happening right now belonging to Snorter, Snort, an Ethereum and Solana-based token. Hold $Snort. Trade faster. Lowest fees on Solana. Fall in love. pic.twitter.com/jpyk1qpnib. Snorter at Snorter Token, June 26, 2025. Snorter has now raised just over $1.2 million in its ongoing sale, with investors rushing to buy its native Snort token while it remains cheap. Snort will be necessary to pay to use Snorter's trading bot, which will provide automated sniping functions intended to help investors buy ahead of the market. Other exciting features include copy trading, atomic swaps, limit orders, and rug pull protection, with Snort having a max supply of 500 million tokens. Given the volatility and unpredictability of the crypto market, Snorter's speed promises to make it a big hit with traders. It will launch in the next few weeks, with investors able to join the Snort pre-sale by going to the official Snorter website. Snort currently costs $0.0963, although this will rise later today, so buyers should act quickly. A day ago, June 27, 2025, Simon Chandler looking at XRP's chart today, it seems that the market isn't quite as optimistic as Ripple itself, with the altcoin's indicators continuing to languish in oversold regions. For instance, its moving average convergence divergence, orange and blue, has been in a negative position since the beginning of June, and before that, since the beginning of February. It's a similar story with its RSI, purple, which has been under 50 for much of the past 4 months, a sign of overselling and undervaluation. As such, you would expect the XRP price to bounce back soon, given that the coin is still trading at what many would regard as a fair price. Indeed, with XRP ETF approvals to look forward to, the coin could return to $2.50 by the end of July and to $5 by Q4. First Prev 1 of 1 next last. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Cardano by the end of 2025. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? Why is crypto down today? June 26, 2025. Price analysis. XRP price prediction, major breakout predicted within 90 days, $589 XRP possible? 1 day ago. By Alejandro Arich. Altcoin news. XRP surges as Ripple CEO Garlinghouse signals end to SEC dispute. 10 hours ago. By Amin Ayan. Altcoin news. Ripple settlement denied as Judge Torres rejects $50 million deal. XRP institutional sales remain limited. 2 days ago. By Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025, top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in June 26, 2025. 1 day ago. By NSS Tavares. 13 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025, pre-sale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 10 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. April 11, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.